Not everyone has had the experience of riding a fancy car, but it is one experience many wish for. The roar of the engine, air rushing through the beautiful work of the automobile industry, and the pair of eyes watching your ride. Everyone wants this experience. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be showing you some of the weirdest yet entertaining and craziest car fails ever. This video is gonna be the ride of your life, so fasten your seatbelt. The first clip here is a disgusting one. This bird doesn't know the difference between dirt and an expensive car. We could as well say that that was an expensive dump. No one loves being stuck. I'm sure this driver's frustrated. The tire's off the road and it keeps rolling in the air. This looks like some Fast and the Furious stunt, but it's real. On to the next. You must have heard of numerous comedians mimicking top personalities, actors, musicians, and more. Here's a rare clip of a man mimicking the sound of a fancy car engine. It is amazing, funny, and brilliant. Watching this clip, I have to wonder, is the bike bigger than the car booth? Or whoever placed the bike there just wanted the bike to ride along? Whatever the reason is, that bike is not lazy. Here's an admirer of lovely fancy cars. This lady enjoys the lovely exterior view. I bet her mind would be blown if she sees the interior of the vehicle. Vehicles often get stuck in long trails of traffic, but you don't always see vehicles stuck in a pile of snow.
Look at the people inside! Hell no!
This is not a nice surprise. She threw that cup. That blaring horn certainly caught her unaware. We've seen exhaust smoke ignite on the run, but here's a rare clip of an ignited exhaust pipe.
Stop! Oh, shit. Water.
Carbonated drinks as the fire extinguisher. How do you wake? Some of us with a yawn. This guy wakes like a vehicle, and his nose is the exhaust pipe. The engine is up, running, and he's awake. The passenger's view here is fun, and here's a cute dog enjoying the ride. That dog should be given a chance at the steering. He'll look great behind it. Not everyone enjoys a blaring horn or lousy vehicle engine. This cop doesn't enjoy lousy engines. "Shut up, idiot," he says into his speakers.
Shut up, idiot.
Ooh!
How big is your exhaust pipe? Here's a challenge for you. A fire extinguisher? A hand? Your dog's head? Oh, don't try that.
Stop shooting flames? No problem. 75 weight 90 gear oil? No problem.
What does he do? He spits on it, and yes, it finally enters the tank. That hack was not expected, but hey, it worked. Well, I'm not given the permission to try the back yet, it's your choice. After a long ride, it's good to give your car a good wash. Here's a clip of a free car wash. The burst pipe beneath the flyover is a blessing for the vehicles, and here they go washing their vehicles for a few seconds. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th vehicles. No one's perfect. Siri is not excluded. What do you do when you experience a GPS malfunction on the road and Siri just keeps saying, Your best bet would be to ask around, or else you'll end up in another region, and that's not a good experience.
In 1.4 miles, take the exit onto I-80. Onto I-80. Ohio Turnpike.
What a great ride we had together. We hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see ya!